Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. Today in the craft room, I will be showing you the latest Felicity Jane Kit. This is for February 2018. It is called Alexis. What else? I'm Melanie, and so glad that you could join me. So I've actually taken everything out of the box. It usually comes in a 12 by 12 stripe box, and it's beautifully packaged. But for the sake of speeding things along, I've taken everything out so that you can see exactly what it comes with. There's always a card with a little note on the back. Keep these cards. They're great for using in your pocket scrapbooking or as a layer in your traditional scrapbooking or even as a card front. So make sure you use that. Don't chuck that out accidentally. Let's start with the 12 by 12 cardstock. First off, Floral and Dots, and it is this beautiful floral in the style of Felicity Jane with that blush pink that they're known for, and then it looks like it's got some mustardy yellow, green, and then the light seafoam turquoisey color. So pretty. And the back side is a very usable black dot. Absolutely gorgeous. Then there is stripes and spots. So this would be the stripe side. It is an ombre from light to dark in that turquoisey teal color, and the other side of that is this black oval shaped spot, I guess, random spot. The branding strip is a white with a arrow, or yeah, I guess you could call it an arrow. Very pretty. Then the next one is Dots and Plus, and it's that yellow, mustard yellow color. It has different size of dots, giving it a very interesting pattern. And then the other side is a white with a black plus, or X, I guess, depending on which way you look at it. The branding stripe is the branding strip is a stripe in that yellow. Then we have hearts and pinstripes. It's in that blushy pink color. The hearts are different tones from a white to almost the same shade as the background, just slightly lighter. And they're just scattered all over, which is very pretty. This would make a beautiful background. And then there is a black stripe on the back, and then there's this really adorable branding strip with this row of hearts with all the colors in the collection. So pretty. I love this collection. It's just beautiful. Then Diamonds and Waves. This has the diamond pattern. I don't know if you can see that very clearly. With a white stripe on top of the teal blue background. Again, it's subtle enough you could easily use this as a background for a 12 by 12 scrapbook page. The other side is this jagged wave pattern. Actually, when I see this, it almost reminds me of like an EKG readout. Maybe not quite so jagged, but I think this would be super cute. You could do some sort of play off of that. The branding strip is a smaller pattern of the main floral from the kit. Dots and Words has this jumbo dot in a very dark pink and then the light pink background. And on this side, it looks almost like a typewriter font. And it has, I'm trying to say, cherish memories, start each day with a grateful heart, create your story, live your best life, that kind of thing. And then sporadically in different colors of the collection are words like grateful, story, journey, memories, grace, and best. And then the branding strip is this striped black and white. Very nice. Then there always comes 2 sheets of solid cardstock. They're usually 2 tones, meaning one side has a lighter color and the other side has a darker. So it's got that seafoam turquoise blue, and then on the other side is a darker version of that. And then there is this pinky color, and then an even brighter pink. So it's not the normal light pink, it's definitely a darker shade. That is the cardstock. You'll get a little envelope, and inside this envelope is some felt ribbon, I guess you would call it, or a felt strip. It's good quality felt, like it feels really good. You could either maybe die cut little hearts out of this, or just use this as a border. Yeah, it's going to give some really great texture to the layout. So that's that. Put that there. Also make sure you use the bags. They make great layers and add a little bit of texture to it. So that's something to keep in mind. We get a stencil this month, which is something new. I don't think I've ever gotten a stencil in one of these kits. I don't know how well you can see that. It is a irregular heart stencil. Can you see that a little bit better? So the hearts are not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, so it will give it a little bit of interest. Love that idea. Love me some tools. We get 2 alphabets this month, and they're in like a puffy alphabet. We get this teal green color, and then a white, super universal. These are so nice. They're calling them essentials, so I wonder if this is going to be part of their regular regular line in the shop. Might be, so I would have a check to see if that's the case. Every month we get a stamp set. So this month the stamp set looks like it has this grid, a long grid stamp, which you could do for borders. This would probably make a really great journaling block kind of thing. Also for mixed media, if you want to use this just to add texture to your background, this would be a great stamp for that. It looks like there's 3 banner shapes that you could layer on top of each other. There's an outline, a solid, and then the plus. There's 2 labels with the little arrow at the bottom, so I guess kind of looking like a speech bubble, which you could layer or stamp separately. The words, the story, love, details, today, create, make, created by, favorite photo, documented by. It looks like a lot of these will fit either within the banner or within the speech bubbles. We get numbers from 1 to 12 with a 00, so for doing time, then there's the little colon to separate, or a dash to designate maybe for the date. You've got date, time, AM, PM, to do, inspired by, remember, my creative space, a dotted line, and then Alexis, which is the name of the kit. So I think this would be very useful for both planners as well as for scrapbookers. I think Allie Edwards has a day in the life coming up pretty soon. This would be really great if you're tracking things by the hour, so something to keep in mind if you do that kind of scrapbooking project. And then we have Puffy Stickers. I love Puffy Stickers, and these ones are so nice. They're so soft and squishy. They're not like that hard puffy. I just love these. So we've got lovely, fun, happy, life, yay, hello, today, and smile. All really versatile. Love them. We have our pocket page cards, or if you're not a pocket page scrapbooker, additional layers or elements. We, what is it trying to say? Their pocket page cards always come with either a grid on the one side or a dot grid. So just keep that in mind. This is a super cute pattern. I love all the different layers of hearts, so this would make a really great layering card. Then there's like a journal box, or you could use this as a frame. It's got these diagonal lines. It goes all the way through. I don't know if you can see that, but they're faded in the center. We have that beautiful floral, but instead of being on a blue background, it is on a blush background. And then a place to put a label or a title. Need a black dot. This looks like a painted line swatch. This happened today. You could either use it vertically or horizontally. Another great journaling block with the numbers that come down the edge. Things to note. Again, great journaling blocks, or again, if you're someone who likes to include these types of things in your planner, really great there. Scalloped, yeah, a scallop lined card. Again, really easy to incorporate journaling on here. You could also trim out the scallops to use as embellishments. Real life. Again, you could add a photo, you could include your journaling, or you could even just trim this out and add that as an embellishment on your layout. Another card, this time with, it's the scattered hearts, but with the teal or turquoise color instead of the pink. And then there's a spot to add a title or some journaling. And then this really fun circle card that says all day, every day. And again, you could trim these out if you wanted to, and just add them as an embellishment to your layout. So that's the cards. We also get this package of acetate numbers, and I believe these go from 1 to 31, so you could have one for every day of the week. There do not appear to be any protective coating on these, and it looks like there's a number of different colors. So what do we got here? Let's see. We got 23, 24, 22. That's a duplicate. 18, that's a little bit different. Is that it? Oh, yeah. And then black. What else do we got? Everything else? I think that might be it color-wise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different colors. Hopefully I got everything there. So pretty. So 1 to 31, again, great if you're doing like a photo a day kind of thing, or if you just want to denote specific dates, or if you're doing some sort of list or prompt, that's a daily prompt for a month, great to use for those. And then last but not least is the ephemera pack, and I'll go through this really quickly. And what I might do is just put down a piece of white cardstock so that you can see these a little better. There's lots of pieces in here. It actually says 40 pieces, which is quite a bit. So we get, it looks like there's some clips in here. These are chipboard clips. We got some hearts, some photo corners, some words. We got some more hearts. Photo corner with the floral. What else do we got here? Hearts. We got some words, some great florals. We've got Alexis herself. I have a hard time using the girl, although I managed to use a couple of them in my scrapbook pages. But you know what? They would also be super cute on just a card, like a birthday card or something. So there's another clip. So something to keep in mind is to think outside the box. Some labels. More hearts, more words. We got today, memories, favorites, some banners. These little, I don't know how to describe them, little starbursts or sunbursts. We've got a few of those. Another banner. Photo corners, hearts. I love these two-tone hearts. Aren't they pretty? More words. More labels. My happy place. Another floral. A couple tags. And just a few more shapes. A circle, more of those bursts, and then the words yes. So that, everyone, is the Alexis kit, which is the February 28 kit from Felicity Jane. I'm looking forward to having a lot of fun with this. I think that's it. Anyways, if you have the subscription or if you received this kit, let us know below and tell us where we can find you at so we can see what you do with the kit. And until next time, happy crafting!